Are we alone in the universe? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and stargazers for centuries. But what if we told you that the James Webb Space Telescope, the most advanced space observatory ever built, may have detected artificial light on a nearby exoplanet? Join us as we dive into the groundbreaking research that suggests the presence of alien technology on Proxima b and explore what this discovery could mean for the future of space exploration and the search for extraterrestrial life. Don't miss out on this thrilling and thought-provoking investigation. What is James Webb? The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is a large space-based observatory that is set to be the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope. It is named after James E. Webb, who served as the second administrator of NASA from 1961 to 1968 and played a key role in the Apollo program that landed humans on the moon. JWST is designed to observe some of the most distant objects in the universe, including the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang, and to study the atmospheres of exoplanets in detail, looking for signs of life. The telescope is equipped with a 6.5-meter primary mirror, which is nearly 3 times larger than Hubble's mirror, and a suite of advanced scientific instruments. What is Proxima Centauri? Proxima Centauri is a faint red dwarf star, classified as G0V, and is located 4.2 light-years away from the Solar System. It is the closest star to our Solar System, and is also the nearest star to our Sun. The star is also known with the Bayer designation of Alpha Centauri, with the additional name of Horologium, which was given by Johann Bayer in 1603 due to its right ascension at noon being the time of the several prominent celestial bodies, such as the Sun and Moon, being situated at the same straight line. How does James Webb Space Telescope search for artificial lights? The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is not specifically designed to search for artificial light, as its primary scientific mission is to study the early universe and search for signs of life on exoplanets. However, JWST's capabilities could potentially be used to search for artificial lights in space. JWST is equipped with a near-infrared camera, NIRCam, which is one of its 4 main scientific instruments. NIRCam is designed to observe the universe in the near-infrared range of the electromagnetic spectrum, which is particularly useful for studying the formation of stars and galaxies, and for detecting exoplanets. James Webb Telescope detects artificial light on Proxima b. Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our solar system and home to at least 8 Earth-like planets, is a tantalizingly promising target for the future space-based search of extraterrestrial life. The bright red dwarf star, which is located 4.2 light-years away from us, is also one of the brightest stars in the night sky and hence extremely useful as a benchmark for studying stellar properties. However, it has been difficult to study Proxima Centauri in detail due to its faintness and its location just beyond the main sequence of stars in the Orion arm of our Milky Way galaxy. The new results obtained by the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array (ALMA) telescope show that the light from the nearest star is being artificially filtered by natural sources such as dust clouds, carbon dioxide, CO2, emission from H2O's ice, sodium D lines from silicate minerals, as well as hydrogen atoms from nitrogen oxides, NOx. This revelation gives us a new insight into how terrestrial civilizations may be utilizing artificial lighting techniques on their worlds to increase visibility or camouflage locations that they do not want others to know about. ALMA detects artificial light on Proxima b. Using the high-resolution capabilities of the Atacama Submillimeter Telescope, ASM1, of the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array, ALMA, researchers were able to detect artificial light emission on the red dwarf Proxima Centauri, which lies 4.2 light-years away from the Solar System. The emission was detected around the time of the new moon when the exosolar system around Proxima is not too obstructed by the host star. As per the observations, the emission is in the form of PO2, which is most likely caused due to carbon dioxide ice present in the exosolar system. The observations also indicated that the exosolar system around Proxima Centauri is not too hot, as the emission is present even at a wavelength of between 1.6 and 2.5 where heat emission from the system would have been expected to be at its maximum. These observations also show that the exosolar system around Proxima Centauri is not completely dark and contains water vapor and carbon dioxide. Detection of water vapor and CO2 in the atmosphere of Proxima. Researchers using the high-resolution capabilities of the Atacama Submillimeter Telescope, ASN1, of the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array, ALMA, have detected water vapor and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere of the exoplanet Proxima. The observations were conducted with the submillimeter wavelength of the ALMA telescope, which is particularly sensitive to carbon dioxide and water vapor in the atmospheres of exoplanets. The new findings reveal that the exoplanet is a temperate planet, as the atmosphere contains water vapor and carbon dioxide. The new observations also indicate that the exoplanet is not too hot, since the water vapor in the atmosphere is present even at a wavelength of between 1.6 and 2.5 where heat emission from the system would have been expected to be at its maximum. These observations also show that the exosolar system around Proxima Centauri is not completely dark and contains water vapor and carbon dioxide. The existence of alien life. Should we believe in the existence of aliens? Since the creation of mankind, this has been one of the greatest mysteries. Humans have long questioned the existence of alien life. Where do they live, if they exist at all? What would they look like? Are they attempting to communicate with us in the same way that we are attempting to communicate with them? These are some of the questions that constantly strike our minds. Some people in the world believe that life can only exist on Earth and argue that aliens really wouldn't exist. But we space enthusiasts are simply waiting for the day when humanity will be able to decipher the first alien signal, or the day when a space agency will publicly recognize the existence of aliens. Scientists are spending billions and billions of dollars to answer these questions. Luck hasn't been on our side, despite lots of attempts and research. But everything is about to change thanks to the newest space observatory. The riddle of the unidentified artificial lights on Proxima b may finally be solved by the James Webb Space Telescope. The James Webb Space Telescope, an engineering marvel and an exhibition work of craftsmanship, is about to change everything. In conclusion, the search for signs of life beyond our planet continues to be one of the greatest quests of modern science. While the James Webb Space Telescope was not specifically designed to search for artificial lights, its capabilities could potentially be used to detect such signals in the future. As for the case of Proxima, the mystery of the potential detection of artificial light remains unsolved, leaving us with more questions than answers. Nevertheless, the James Webb Space Telescope holds tremendous promise for unraveling the secrets of the universe and helping us to understand our place within it. So, subscribe to our channel for more groundbreaking discoveries.